Hey guys, welcome to my video. Thanks for watching. I'm making fish cutlets for dinner tonight. Here are the ingredients I am using in it. 1 tablespoon crushed coriander, 1½ teaspoon salt, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1½ teaspoon red pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, 1 cup chopped cilantro and mint, 1 cup chopped onion, 3 green chilies chopped or to your choice. These are ½ pound of potatoes that I have boiled and mashed. This is a 1 pound fish which I have steamed and mashed. These are 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and these are 2 eggs that I have beaten. I also added 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Now I will mix all these ingredients well in a bowl and then make their kebabs. First, I am shaping the cutlets into patties. I dip the cutlets in beaten eggs, then coat them with breadcrumbs for a crispy exterior. I heat the oil. Now I'm frying these cutlets on medium heat. I put the cutlets in the pan and fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side once or until golden brown. Now I transfer to a plate. I am serving with salad and sauce. Thanks for watching.